Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create YouTube thumbnail button with custom shapes. Add a bold rectangular shape for main button area, then use rounded corner to give it a premium YouTube UI feel. Then add a triangle play button shape in the center. Use contrasting colors to make the button stand out. Now add a subtle inner shadow to make it look pressable. Duplicate the button to create variations like watch now or new video. Use circles behind the play icon for extra emphasis. Add text overlays for clarity. Use shape fusion to create smooth gloss style edges and add a glow for high impact effect. Ensure alignment is perfect for clean and thumbnail. Thanks for watching.